Welcome back. Today we're demonstrating the standing hip abduction exercise. This is an advanced exercise to build strength in our glute med muscle group, which is really important for treating knee pain, back pain, and improving balance. So to perform, all we're going to need are a mini band. We're going to place it around our knees. So you can see I already put mine on, but you're going to wrap it around your knees, going just above the knee here. Now to perform the movement, all we're going to do is lift one leg up off the ground. With your stance leg, you want to make sure you have a slight bend in the knee so it's not locked out, a slight bend, and then with the knee that's lifted up off the ground, you're just going to lift it to the side and come back down. So you can see it's a really good balance exercise, and you're going to feel the burn in that glute med muscle of the stance leg. A little bit out here, but really the burn's going to be on that stance leg. The only thing else to really look out for, make sure you keep a straight spine. So when you're doing this exercise, again, slight bend in the knee, but you don't want to be kind of rounded forward doing like that. You want to maintain that neutral spine. Just be in a nice, strong position. The other thing you want to watch out for is you really want to make sure this leg goes out to the side. So you don't, sometimes when you start doing it, it kind of wants to come forward. Really make sure that you're abducting the hip, which is just bringing it straight out to the side like that. That's all I got for you. That's the standing hip abduction exercise. Thanks so much for watching.